Okay, let's try this one again. Welcome, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. I am doing quite a large canvas, so I've got a tripod on a table, trying to get it set up that it will take this video. So I'm just gonna have to keep an eye on my camera and tripod to see if it's all going well. This is a 121 by 121 centimeters long, but I think it's 45 centimeters wide. I am using all of the Mont Studio acrylics, trying to do them a lot thinner than I would normally do, because this is my big kiss and blow. So if things go pear-shaped and I have to run and save my camera, then so be it. I'll just try anyway. So the idea is I want the pattern around here and there. So I might do half and half. I'll see how I go. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just pour it. But we'll see. We'll see. So I'm going to start with a silver base on the just around my patterned area. Just gonna see how we go. So this is how the pattern is going to go. So it is definitely a kiss and blow. So yeah, just keep this, whoops, a days. Okay. Calm your farm, calm your farm. I'm telling myself to keep calm because this is a big setup. I've got my camera set up completely not how I would normally have it set up, so I just don't want to lose my camera by falling off the setup that I've got. I don't want to ruin this big canvas because it is for a gift, so I just don't want to stuff it up. So just got, okay, I'll keep going. It's all yeah, like I said, Mont paints, my pouring recipes in the drop down box underneath this video. So I hope you enjoy me panic about this big canvas, large canvas. I was going to do it not on camera. I thought, no, I'll do it so I can concentrate, but I thought so many people ask you, oh, you know, what would that be like on a big canvas? So I'll show you my struggles for sure. So I want to get some nice bright colours in here. So I hope you're all still with me. I better double check. Sorry. Got to double check, see you're all still with me and it's filming. So it's all good. Haven't quite got the whole canvas in because it's so long. I think I'd have my camera up on the ceiling to get it all in. Ooh, quite fun though, I suppose. You've got to enjoy what you do either way. Okay. So what I've used so far is the yellow, bright yellow, orange, and I think this one was the magenta. So this one is the brilliant red. So this is definitely going to be a kiss and blue. So keep going. Now I want to get some more yellow on the very, I loved the yellow when it was blown out on previous one that I did, so I'm going to keep that going. Might as well use that last bit up. I've done the paints a lot thinner for this particular blow and a kiss because that's where I seem to not get it quite right last time. Paints were a bit thicker. This is Mont white with a daub of silver and a daub of Floetrol. That's what I've got written on the side, so I will keep that to use it to blow out. I'm going to blow the paint over this, so I do want to keep some negative space, but okey-doke. Well, some of this is the oh, what's it called? Violet. Wow. It's the biggie. Now I've got a little bit of gold here, which was the Mont pouring paints, and I mixed it with a little bit of Floetrol because I want to get some gold out on the edges. Oh, that gold goes lovely with the purple. Okay, rightio, I better get stuck into this. Put a bit more white out here. What I did to prepare this canvas first, I did I coated it with the white just all over first with the sponge brush, just so I didn't kind of have to worry about if any areas got missed, should I say. As usual, I've probably used way too much paint in the colours than I need, but I'll just try it. Now, this might be the thing. I might blow it all over the place. Get my coffee out of the way. I think that's gone cold now. That's it. My dryer lead went into the paint, but never mind. I've got to keep it on cool. So I just try and blow my white around first. It's not going to really work. Wow. Crazy. Way too much paint. I will I don't know if I'll ever get this right. Might as well nearly cover the lot. Got so much paint on it. Okay, oh my goodness. I've made a pretty much big mess everywhere. I can tell you, it has gone everywhere. But all good fun, it's a good job it's an art studio, hey? And the paint on the floor doesn't matter too much. It can be wiped up. It's only paint. Okay. It's kind of going into holes, just that is because I had silicone in this paint. Shouldn't add silicone, obviously, for a Dutch pour Aussie kiss method, because it's just not, yeah, it's causing all those holes. But there's nothing that can't be kissed out of it. I will give it the Aussie kiss of life with my little balloon after I've done some other life-saving management on this particular pour. I need to some more, spread this out a bit so I can blow some paint. See, if I hadn't have put so much paint, then I would got a lot more negative space, and I did the wrong thing again. I got carried away with all my paint, way too much paint, because I wanted to leave a big area negative space, but it's so bright and vibrant, I'm gonna go with it rather than scrape it, because it is really nice and vibrant. So I'm liking it, definitely liking it. It's just not what I had planned, but that's life, isn't it? It doesn't always go to plan. So you just go with what you've got, make the best of it, and that's what I'm hopefully teaching you guys and myself along the way. Oh dear, holy dear. Okay, didn't want this video to be too long for you guys. Don't wanna. But anyway, here goes. I just soften some of the edges on it. What I will do with all of this, I'll just try and see what the balloon looks like at the minute, but I'm really thinking that the balloon needs time to oh, that's what I forgot to do, was put the light on. Oh my giddy eye. It's actually a nice gold in here. You can kind of get the gist of what I wanted to do, but I wanted to have a nice big area of negative space. But it is so bright and vibrant that if all goes well and it dries like as vibrant, it will look absolutely beautiful with the gloss coat on. But as I said, I'm going to do my ballooning around this edge here. So I'll just try for this minute, see how my balloon goes. If it is definitely too, the paint is too runny, then I need to leave the ballooning for a little while. So I'll go with this little, I'll just do the outline of where I want to do my ballooning, so it'll go, I'll have the balloon art around to frame this area and then leave that all wild and woolly. So I'll just go all the way along. It's not too bad actually for ballooning, and look at the colours that come through that ballooning, just gorgeous, really lovely, really lovely. Yeah, I could do with just leaving it for a little while, so I'm just going to do this and then I'll disappear for half an hour and come back and balloon it just around the bottom. Wow, it is so bright and in your face. That's what I like. This delicate stuff just isn't me. Okay, oh my god, so excited to do that, love it. Okay, I'll just give that paint time to dry, see how we go. Okay, I've brought my camera down to give you kind of a big look at it from this perspective. I went along and, oh, there you go, did the balloon kissing around the very bottom, fine, and then I've left the blowout area. It has gone into a bit of holes, but they don't actually look bad. It looks like bubbles, so it's like an underwater garden under the sea. I won't sing for you because I've not got a good voice, but I just wanted to bring it down. So I just did the balloon kissing, and this is the result. So obviously it's very wet at the moment. I will leave it to dry and I will put photos on of it dry at the end of this video. If not, they will be on my acrylic art by Gillykube Facebook page, but just wanted to give you the big picture, which I can't get it all in. And I actually did dip some of my balloons after I'd kissed them on my canvas. I then dipped excuse me, straight onto another canvas. So I'll go around the border of that and see if I can make anything pretty of it. Probably just paint the border of it in the purple, I think. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with this for such a big canvas and working it all out. But next time I will do a lot less colour on the bottom so I can blow it out and have a big negative space instead of only a tiny bit of negative space. So thank you guys so much for joining me on my crazy art exploits. I want to say a big hi as well to Pearl. Pearl, I'm so happy that you watch and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for the other people that you tell to watch my, advise them to watch. So thank you, Pearl. Well, this is a perler, isn't it? This one is a perler. I'm really liking it, and I'm sure when it's all finished, it's going to be a stunner. So thank you guys again. Until next time, bye for now. My joke for the day is a bit late, but anyway, better late than never. I wouldn't buy anything in Velcro. It's a total rip-off. Oh dear. Yes, you're allowed to roll your eyes, people. Okay. I would tell you a joke about pizza, but it's a little bit cheesy. Yep, roll your eyes again. Thank you, guys.